Hi, I'm Tracy. Today, I'm giving you a guide on creating one of the most effective strategies to increase AOV on Shopify, tiered offers by using the BOGOS app. This strategy works based on buying thresholds. The more shoppers spend, the better gifts they get. So now let me walk you through how to set this up. First, make sure you have BOGOS installed on your store. If you don't have it yet, click the link I dropped in the description below. There are two methods to set up your offers, using the min and max settings or the priority function. Let me walk you through both options. To make this tutorial easier to follow, I'll use a common tiered offer example, including Tier 1. Spend $200 to get a short sleeve t-shirt. Tier 2, spend $300 to get a bandana. Let's dive in. First, you have to create two separate offers. The first one is spend $200 to get a short sleeve t-shirt. From the BOGOS dashboard, go to All Offers, click Create Offer, and select Gift Offer. You can start from scratch or use the Spend X amount to get gift template to do it faster. Now let's fill in the general info. For the offer name, this is for internal use, so you can call it something simple. The offer title is the one your customers will see, so make it clear and appealing. You can also set the start and end time for the offer. For the offer condition, since the threshold is spending $200, then set the minimum value to $200 and the maximum value to $299.99. Next, we need to define which products this offer applies to. In the condition will apply to section, you'll see a list of options to help you easily narrow down the offer to any product set you want. And if you want to display the offer to a specific segmentation, try any of these 7 options available. But for this offer, I'll keep it simple. Now it's time to choose a gift. I'll select a short sleeve t-shirt with a label. As you see here, since it's a gift, I'll keep the gift discount type as percentage and enter 100 in the value field. Next, decide how many gifts your customers will receive. In this case, I'll offer just one. Once that's done, click Publish to save and activate your offer. Now, let's set up the second offer. Spend $300 to get a bandana. Instead of creating a new offer from scratch, I'll simply duplicate the first offer for a faster setup. Let's edit the general information to match this offer. And I'll change the minimum value to $300 and leave the maximum value blank. Next, select the product you want to offer as a gift for this offer. Mine is a printed bandana. I'll also remove the gift of the previous offer. Once everything looks good, click Save to complete the setup. Now, let me show you the second method for setting up tiered offers, using the priority function in BOGOS. This ensures that if a customer's cart meets the conditions for both offers, only the higher priority offer will be applied. Let's jump into the setup. Its setup is almost the same as the min and max method. So I will duplicate the offers I created earlier, each with its corresponding value. For the first offer tier, spend $200 to get a short sleeve t-shirt. There's no need to set a maximum value. Just set the minimum value to $200 and leave the other fields unchanged. In the Advanced Configuration section, you'll see an option to set priority. Because this is the first tier offer, I will set the priority to number 2 and then click Save. Then let's move to the second offer tier. I already duplicated the spend $300 to get a bandana offer before. Now let's make some adjustments. Then I'll go to the priority section and set it to 1 and click the Stop Lower Priority button too. Once your tiered offers are set up, it's time to promote them. BOGOS provides 4 different widget options to help you do just that. First, there's the Today's Offer widget, which highlights your current promotions. Next, we have the gift thumbnail, a perfect option if you've focused your offer on a specific group of products. Then there's the gift slider, which displays your gifts as a pop-up, grabbing attention when customers are shopping. And finally, the progress bar. This is my personal favorite. What is the best part? You can fully customize each element of these 4 widgets, from colors, text, to widget layout, and even which pages they'll appear on. I'll include links to the tutorial videos for each customization option in the description below. Alright, let me show you how this works in the storefront. As you can see, the progress bar shows how I'm close to unlocking the first reward. So, I'll add some items to my cart. Once my cart surpasses $200, the gift slider pops up automatically, offering me a list of free t-shirts. Now I'll add more items to bring my cart total to $300. Here's what's happening. The offer upgrades automatically. I can now get the bandana as gift, and the t-shirt is removed. That's how you set up tiered offers with the BOGOS app to encourage customers to spend more and boost your store's AOV. If you want to try it out, BOGOS offers a free plan with 30 free orders generated by BOGOS. After that, you can upgrade with a 7-day free trial. Just click the link in the description below, and you can have your tiered offers live in just a few clicks. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.